This one is going to be a banger.
Solid first round TKO finish against his opponent and riding off that momentum, coming in against Chung Reng, who's I'd say one of the best fighters we have on the MFN roster.
He's a young 25-year-old. You'll have to see it. It was meant to say that's for him to show.
बच्चा है, ठीक है. पहले इसका ब्रेन को तोड़ता है. इसका दिमाग पहले तोड़ेगा ना, इसको आराम से जीत सकते हैं. रेडी हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. बन जाएगा.
For the fans from Nepal!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event belt. Nepal's Rabindra Dant has thunder in the belt with 100% fight finishes. Whoever survives is nothing short of inspirational. He started his life as a piece-weight labor, found true love in MMA.
This fight official. Here we go. Round number one. Dant in the... It's interesting, in the fight against Muhammad Farad, we saw Farad and decided to take him down in Donkey Kong punching. But...
Well, I've started... It's like Chung Reng versus Chung Reng or Rabindra versus Rabindra. These guys...
By Changrankoren, comes over with the right hand, and good reversal by Rabindra Dant. He knew this was coming. He's trained for it. But what remains to be seen is the strength. Oh, straight into mount.
Rabindra's gone the...
He's got the mount here, and look at the movement. It's still early in the fight. And Changrankoren, though, is eating a couple of shots. He's eating a lot of shots. Oh, a lot of shots. Rabindra Dant is teeing off on Changrankoren. Changran doing a good job defending this. But there's only so much you can do.
Rabindra has unleashed the beast in him.
The chin on Changrankoren, superior positioning. Landing those shots to the side of the head, controlling his posture.
Well, that's it.
He's still a little hurt because Rabindra Dant landed at least 20 or 30. Props to him. And again, man, there we go. We've never seen Changrankoren being Changrankoren because it's like a verb. But he's flattened him out in front of his corner. And now, big shots here. Big shots. Changrankoren is in trouble early on in this round. It's just the first round. He's taken so much punishment. And that's what we said. I talked about it. Wrestler position for him. It's different to see how he's going to react. And Dant is about a punishment he's taken.
Let me tell you something.
Oh, this fight is going to be over anytime now. The kind of punches. Referee Mark Goddard.
Rabindra's team actually manifested this. They made a rap.
He's holding on to the right hand. And he's trying to get up. I don't know what he's trying to do. The desperation move here from Changran.
Oh!
Look at that! Action that's happened in the
now
Changran.
in the same manner.
Good hips from Rabindra. Good trip from Rabindra. Oh, reversal!
That scramble.
Man, this is what I mean. Changrankoren is so tough. Has been against a lot of great former fighters. And Dant immediately, he got taken. Changran tried to trip him. Dant reverse position, and of those strikes on the ground, there were at least 30 unanswered shots. And the amount of damage that Changran took in the first round was something else, man. You can see that he's shaking off that leg with one kick. He's trying to wade in with some punches, but Rabindra Dant sees it coming. Dant now for a takedown. It's okay.
Oh,
no,
saved by the bell.
Saved by the bell.
Saved by the event, and it's going to decide who walks home.
It just matters now who has more in the gas tank, because Changran normally, who is so strong and so many shots, the way he's moving is weird. I mean,
a little bit is an understatement. He's slow for sure.
I mean, you can see he's gassed. You can see the reversal that happened there. It seemed academic here. And the way he has stacked up and pulled out. I'm surprised Rabindra Dant let him up. Oh, stuck him. Oh, he hurt him with that one. But man, what a chin on Changrankoren. He's still in it. But there's only so many shots Skull can take. Another big one. Another big hand. Rabindra Dant opening up. Just missed a big shot. Oh, he's hurt. He's hurt. He's out. He is out. We have a new champion. Rabindra Dant. This team is going.
This could be the biggest upset in the history.
He was beaten. His camp.